Greetings to all of you watching this broadcast today. I am Mr. Mendoza, a second grade teacher at Webb Du Bois Charter Academy. I hope that you enjoy this recording of fossils, Earth's past. This is going to be a three-part recording, 3 chapters or 3 lessons. What can fossils tell us about Earth's past? In our first lesson, we're going to talk about fossils. Next is finding clues in fossils. And lastly, we'll talk about fossils of California. Dinosaur Bone by Alice Shirtle. Dinosaur bone, alone, alone, keeping a secret, old as stone, deep in the mud, asleep in the mud. Tell me, dinosaur bone, what was the world when the seas were new, and ferns unfurled and strange winds blew? Were the mountains fire, were the rivers ice? Was it mud and mire, was it paradise? How did it smell, your earth, your sky? How did you live? How did you die? How long have you lain alone, alone? Tell me, dinosaur bone. Talk about it. What do you think a dinosaur bone can tell about a dinosaur? Can it tell you the colors of the dinosaur? Could it tell you what kind of skin, or did it have any hair on it? Think about it. It's just bones. Plain old bones. Look at the fossil prints. Oh, what kind of animal do you think made them? And how do you know? I'm going to limit my talking throughout this video so I can make it shorter. I want you to be doing the thinking. I want you to look at the entire page, stop the video, and think as I read. Answer questions to yourself. Summarize the text as I read it. What are fossils? Fossil. A fossil is what is left of a living thing from the past. Some fossils are bones or teeth of animals that lived long ago. Other fossils are prints of whole plants and animals. Fossils help us see what life was like long ago. These Tyrannosaurus eggs were found in China. A fern left a print in this rock. Animals, animal fossils, plant fossils. Scientists find fossils of plants and animals in places. Some are found in rock. Others can be found in ice, tar, or amber. Amber is a sticky liquid in trees that has become hard. Some plants or insects were trapped in the amber and became fossils. This insect got trapped in amber millions of years ago. What kind of an insect is that? Think about it. Look at it. What does it look like? This lived millions of years ago and they're still alive now. Where can scientists find fossils of plants and animals? This fossil skull is from a velociraptor. How do fossils form? Fossils form when living things are buried under many layers of sand or mud. Scientists can tell how old a fossil is by looking at the layers. Some fossils are found in the same layer. This means that those plants and animals lived at about the same time. This fossil is a claw of a raptor. How can scientists find out how old a fossil is? Look in the text. How a fossil forms. A raptor dies, it is buried in sediment like mud, clay, and soil. More sediment builds up. The soft parts of the raptor rot away. You can also look at pictures and tell me what's happening in the picture. This third part of this process, minerals replace the bones and teeth and they slowly harden into rock. Fossils are a form of rock. Millions of years later, the fossil is found. What happens to the bones and teeth of the raptor? What happens? They become what? They harden into rock. First, tell me how are fossils formed. After this, tell me what is a fossil. Then write about where fossils can be found. Write about it. Sequence. A sequence tells you first, then, after that, and lastly. A sequence tells the order in which things happen. A sequence tells what happens first, next, and last. First, a seedling grows. Next, you plant the seed. Then the plant gets bigger. Is that the right sequence? What's first? Of course not. I just said it incorrectly because it looks like this is first, second, and third, but it's not. First, you plant a seed. Then a seedling grows. Next, a seedling grows. Last, the plant gets bigger. Think about how a plant grows. Then look at the pictures and put them in order. You can use a chart to help you tell the sequence. Look at these pictures. Then try the skill. Try to sequence them. That's a fossil fern. This is buried fern. This is an actual fern. Which picture comes first, next, last? What happened to the fern? What about it? How do fossils form? Think about it. What happened first? Bloop, bloop, bloop. Then sand, dirt, clay, sand, and all kinds of stuff coupled on top of it. Then the imprint happened, the fossil happened. Life of a dinosaur. Do you have a favorite dinosaur? Learn about one from a book or on the internet. Just type dinosaur and it'll give you all kinds of good stuff. Write about it. Write a report about your dinosaur. Tell where the dinosaur lived and how it moved. What did it eat? Draw a picture of your dinosaur. Share your report with your parents. Take a picture of it. Send it to me. Your parents have my number. Remember, a report gives many details about a topic. Right now, you may not know anything about your dinosaur, but once you research, the key term is research, you'll find this. Measuring dinosaurs. How long were dinosaurs? Scientists can study fossils to find out. This chart shows the length of some dinosaurs. By studying the fossils, you can actually know about the length of dinosaurs. Compsognathus was 100 centimeters. Think about a meter stick. A meter stick is about 3 feet long. 3 feet is about 12, 24, 36 inches. 36 inches, I'd say about 40 inches is about 100 centimeters, something like that. An Archaeopteryx, bird-like flying dinosaur, is 30 centimeters. That was a very small one, actually. The Protoceratops was 200 centimeters. Use a ruler at the dinosaur length. Use a centimeter ruler to measure string in the same lengths. Then lay the string on the floor. Now measure the length of each dinosaur in your footsteps. You can measure to find out how long something is. Next time that your parents go, if you don't have a measuring stick of some sort, a ruler, if next time that they go to Walmart or wherever, ask them to find a really cheap one. You can always find cheap things at Walmart. That'll be for our next one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this broadcast of the first part of fossils or how they become them. That book was from McGraw-Hill. I believe it's from McGraw-Hill. It's a science book, but I found that online. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, give me a call. If you are my second grade student, ask your parents to call me or text me, or you can do a quick video of yourself texting me to ask the question. Thank you.